Hello everyone, this is Tamer from ElliottWaveForex.com with a new long-term update and weekly analysis for the Euro-US dollar on September 11th, 2017. So many interesting developments have taken place in the Euro-USD market since our last long-term update, and naturally we've been keeping our valued members at ElliottWaveForex.com fully up to date with these developments day in and day out. Still, many viewers have requested a more recent look on the higher levels. So today I'm going to walk you through my current views of this market, starting from the monthly chart and zooming our way in to the daily level. In general, even though I think the euro is fighting an ultimately losing battle, I still think the euro is going to put up one hell of a fight between now and about mid-2018. During this period, it will very likely carve its way up toward the vicinity of the 1.2500 level, where it will face massive resistance. So let's jump right into the monthly chart, where the big picture sees that the euro is moving generally toward the downside in a double zigzag labeled teal waves W, X and Y, where wave W formed a zigzag labeled maroon waves A, B and C. Cycle wave X formed a running flat labeled maroon waves A, B and C, where it retraced exactly 50% of teal wave W, and now teal wave Y is forming a zigzag labeled maroon waves A, B and C. Within it, maroon wave A formed a strong impulse of about 3500 pips, which ended around March 2015. So zooming into the weekly chart, I think that maroon wave B is almost certainly forming an expanded flat labeled black waves A, B and C, where black wave B formed a double zigzag labeled blue waves W, X and Y. We are pretty much certain that this black wave B is complete, and black wave C is clearly forming an impulse labeled blue waves 1 through 5. And this weekly count expects the euro to continue moving towards the upside in black wave C to complete maroon wave B. So at 1.2228, maroon wave B would retrace 50% of maroon wave A, then at 1.2644 it would retrace 61.8% of its length. And until maroon wave B is complete, the market should find very strong support at 1.1662. Now zooming even deeper into the daily chart, I think it's clear that blue wave 3 is forming an impulse labeled pink waves 1 through 5, where pink wave 5 is forming another impulse labeled green waves 1 through 5, and finally green wave 5 is most likely forming an ending diagonal labeled orange waves 1 through 5. So far I think that orange waves 1 and 2 are almost certainly complete, and I strongly suspect that orange wave 3 is complete as well. So after a bit of downward correction in orange wave 4, this count expects the euro to continue moving towards the upside in orange wave 5 to complete green wave 5 and therefore pink wave 5 and therefore blue wave 3. This will be generally confirmed by movement above the end of orange wave 3 at 1.2092. So at 1.2151, green wave 5 would reach 61.8% the length of both green waves 1 and 3. Then at 1.2190 it would reach 100% the length of green wave 1. This wave count is invalidated by movement below 1.1823, as orange wave 4 may not move beyond the start of orange wave 3. That's all for our analysis for this week. If you have any questions, comments or suggestions, please don't hesitate to shoot us a line at any time. And until our next update, I wish you profitable trading and see you next time.